Hello, Internet people. Ryan again with Wood Cycle Country. Doing things a little bit different this time around. I have a customer by the name of Thomas interested in the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R, aka the 636. This example here is in the metallic, matte, gray, and ebony, and I have to say it is sharp looking. I wanted to go over a couple of the things that I really like about the motorcycle itself, and Thomas, I think you can relate to it as well. One of the coolest things ever is on the gas, clutchless upshifting, and you can do that out of the box on the 636 with the quick shifter there. If you've never experienced that, it is one of the coolest things you can ever do on two wheels, in my opinion. Thomas, I know you like working on your classic cars and stuff like that, and I think you'd be able to appreciate what's behind this clutch cover over here. We have a slipper clutch and assisted clutch kind of combo there. What that allows us to do is have a really light clutch pull, so you're not getting any arm pump as you go out throughout the day and do some riding. Also, with the engine braking, if you're ever really aggressive on your downshifts, the slipper clutch is going to prevent that rear wheel from hopping, which nobody wants to experience that. So once again, technology right out of the box there. Kawasaki did it right with the attention to detail, super aggressive look on the front end. It's got the LED headlights on it, tons of technology in it, but they did it right. They equipped the motorcycle out of the box with some really good tires. These are the Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4s. If you guys know anything about performance tires, you'll know that Pirelli is top echelon there. Once again, Kawasaki did it right out of the box. So less money that you have to spend on modifying the bike and more seat time, hopefully. Kawasaki also equipped the motorcycle with ABS and traction control. I know you like getting sideways on your 240SX. You're not gonna have to worry about that on this motorcycle. It's gonna keep you planted on the ground. It's gonna be a great feeling. You have a very bright TFT display. Man, it is equipped very nicely out of the box. Thomas, I think you're gonna love this motorcycle. We'll get a couple more shots of it up close and personal.